19 weeks old now. We're just going to make a little quick video of how she handles action with the bad man. All these cool little puppies have a lot of drive. There's really no issues, no concerns. This puppy's got physical toughness, mental toughness. Once again, she's 19 weeks old. She's going to be a gorgeous dark sable, almost solid black when she's fully mature. Speaking from 30 years of experience in breeding and developing giant schnauzers, German Shepherds. So I know what this girl's going to look like. Go ahead and out her and kick it back out to him, wouldn't he? Easier said than done. There we go. So just a little positive reinforcement inducement to let go. She didn't want that food. She wants to fight the bad man.
As soon as she knocks forward, let her go. Oh.
Alright, once again, Keeva, 19 weeks old. That was nice, awesome regrip. You like to see the puppies take full, calm, hard grips. It just shows a lot of nerve. Shows how confident and tough the little puppies are. She ain't letting that toy go for food. You're out of your mind, Whitney. She ain't letting that go. Good try, though. Really good try.
Go. Oh, he's shot. Yeah!
Once again, that just shows you a lot about the nerve and the temperament of the dog. What you're seeing in this puppy right now is what's called fighting drive. She's not mad. She's not upset. She just likes to fight. And, you know, that's a really important instinct in the development of a German Shepherd. And the fact that she'd ignore that food and stay on that tug shows possession. You can't beat that at all. Keeva, 19 weeks old.